Push it, push it, push it, push it to the limit, baby. Come on, baby, do it again. Move it, move it, move it, move it to the limit, baby. Come on, baby, do it again.
Dad, who is that?
Backup singer.
Mom's gonna be home any second, and you're gonna be in trouble.
Why don't you go watch some Walt Disney or something?
That guy's here about the documentary. Should I let him in?
Yeah, let him in.
Thanks everyone. I just want to thank the people that were in the movie, Whitey Summers and my good friend Rocky West, who were kind to be actors in the show. Thanks.
No, I didn't expect to win anything in that festival because, basically what they're looking for is a commercial for their Chamber of Commerce. They're trying to attract tourism and industry into their area, so they don't want to see scenes of people going into their back alleys and finding trash or anything like that.
Do you plan to enter next year's festival?
Yes, I do plan to enter in next year's festival. I'm going to have a short film about a serial killer who roams the beach and just can't seem to be caught by the bumbling police department. Rusty! Rusty!
Come on, baby, do me again.
Can you turn up the monitors? Are you in there or what?
To the limit, baby. Come on, baby, do it again.
Really getting sick of this crap. Just can't work with this guy no more. Sick of this. Never around. Getting the sound wrong all the time. Who the heck do you think he is? Rusty Rivets.
Have you been able to make a living as a director?
Yeah, I found I've had to take some day jobs and some other assorted things to make ends meet. I don't really like recording other people. I find it very boring, but what can you do?
Do it again. Again? That's the best one yet. What are you talking about? How many times we got to do this? I got other stuff to do, Come on, get it right. Sick of your crap.
Again.